In this video, we will show you how to generate resume online. Okay, generate resume online maybe is alternative that you don't want to build your resume from scratch. Okay, it's better you have a template, then you can get or modify your resume with easily. How to do that? First, I recommend these websites. You can open zt.com. Okay, this is the URL. After that, to create your resume, just click create your resume now. Just click this button. Okay, now you will go to the resume builder, and in the first step, you need to choose about how long have you been working. For example, 5 until 10 years. And need help choosing a template. Okay, let's go. We can using a photo or without photo. For example, with photo. Okay, you can using one column or two columns. I'm usually using two columns, and you can see there are simple and classic, modern and subtle, and bold and striking. For example, choose modern and click next. What is your occupation? Okay, this is related general job role, so you can choose one of these. For example, I will select computer and technology and see templates. Okay, you can see there. I choose here, for example, and use this template. Okay, you can upload your resume if you have existing resume, but in here, I will just start from scratch, but with the currently design. Okay, I'm skip this. So this is our name, for example, dev, and this is Benz, and for example, in here, administrator or our profession, and the city for example, Jakarta. Okay, and province and postcode, for example, like this is just for example, and the phone number. Okay, the email is dev at wearedata.com. Then you can go to the next work history. And why do you need a resume? Okay, you can select job seeking or a different reason. Okay, usually we are creating resume for job seeking. Just click next in here. Now let's fill out your work history. Click next. Okay, in here just type administrator. Okay, and in here employer, uh, where data, for example, and location is, let's type Melbourne, for example. Melbourne. Okay, this is remote. This is just for example, and you can also input the start date and end date. For example, January 2019 and February, for example, 2024. And click next. Okay, this is just generating our resume. You can see there is expert recommendation for administrator assistant. You can edit this in the next step. Okay, we can just add recommendations. Okay, now we don't want to create from scratch. This is very useful, so we can just edit later. Click next after that. Okay, and click next for education, add experience. Okay, just click next. Okay, you can select technical or vocational, bachelor's, master, or specialist. For example, I'm using bachelor's. Institution, for example, just like that. And degree, select our degree here, bachelor of science, of for example, like that. and click next skill. Okay, click next skill, just next. And this is generating personalized our administrator assistant. Just click add skills. You can edit them later. Okay, and click next and click next here and click continue. Okay, you can get this assistant, okay, by clicking this add like that. So you can just click next extra section. For example, you have website, but I will skip this. Okay, and click finish resume. Okay, you can using your Google account to continue your resume. But for example, we can edit photo first. Just upload our photo and click browse. Okay, for example, like this. Okay, this is just for example. You can using another photo and click save and click save here. Okay, you can click finish resume. Then you can sign in with Google. Click continue. Okay, I will show you how you can get this resume, because this resume you need to pay for this. Just need this to get your resume. Okay, but in here we can just back to our resume. For example, just click back, and on the final resume here, okay, if you don't want to pay your resume, you can just copy all of your content here. Okay, then you can generate on the editor like Microsoft Word. So you have already inspiration with this. Rather than paying, you can also generate this with Microsoft Word. This is just for generator. But if you want for easy, just click download and pay your resume. You can have PDF, MS Word, and plain text. Okay, that's all tutorial how to generate a resume using online builder. Thanks for watching.